Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today, get ready to discover the beautiful world of sewing as we dive into the creation of a stunning ballerina wrap top. In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of transforming my free printable pattern into an elegant and comfortable top using Rib Viscose Fabric. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, this tutorial is perfect for you. In the first part of the video, I show you how to hack the pattern, creating a ballerina wrap top with elbow-length sleeves and a tie waist. Then, in the second part, I'll demonstrate step-by-step instruction on sewing this lovely garment. Every detail will be covered to ensure that everyone can easily follow along and create their own beautiful top. And what's great about this top is its versatility. It can be worn both in the front and back, offering different stylish looks that are equally stunning. And you are feeling creative? I encourage you to explore further and hack the pattern, customizing it with your own unique touches, such as shorter sleeves or a different length or something else. So grab your sewing supplies and join me on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your sewing friends. Let's create something amazing together. Thank you all for joining me in this sewing adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to unleash your creativity and explore different variations of this top. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting sewing projects and tutorials. Stay tuned for more inspiring content. And until next time, happy sewing!